This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your birthday on Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To hide your birthday on Twitter, the first thing you want to do is go over to the pane on the left hand side and you want to click on Profile. Now you'll go over to the center pane and you'll go up to where it says Edit Profile. Then you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right next to where it says birth date, you'll click on Edit. Then you'll click on Edit again. Then you want to scroll down, and in this area you can actually change your birthday in this area by clicking on these drop downs here. You could change it to a different month, a different day, a different year. But to hide your birthday on Twitter, right down here it says who sees this. You can control who sees your birthday on Twitter. The top box here, month and day, if you wanted to leave your month and day of your birthday on, and the bottom box is your year. The top box, month and day, you just click the drop down to choose who can see that. You can change it to public, anybody can see it. You can change it to your followers, that means only your followers will be able to see it. You can change it to people you follow, or you follow each other. But to make it private, you would click on Only You. I have mine set to follow each other's, what mine is set to. And for the year, you can click the drop down here. If you don't want people knowing what year you were born, it can be set to public, meaning anybody can see it. You could set it to your followers, people you follow each other. And to make it private to where nobody can see it, you could set it to Only You. That's what I have mine set to. And then you would go up and you would click on Save. That is how you hide your birthday on Twitter. Thanks for watching.